Hello students, welcome to Iridian Memorial classes. Now let us solve some example and exercise questions of exercise 12.3. ठीक है. So पहला example है find the coordinates of point which divides the line segment joining the points 1 minus 2 3 and 3 4 minus 5 in the ratio of 2:3 internally and externally. बोथ दोनों में ही हमें इसे डिवाइड कर रहा है तो रेशियो निकालना है. अब क्या है हियर गिवन पॉइंट्स क्या क्या है. लेट अस सॉल्व दिस. लेट द गिवन पॉइंट्स आर A 1 minus 2 and 3 and B 3 4 minus 5. ठीक है. These are the given points. Now let P is the point whose coordinate is x y z that divides AB यानी line segment AB internally in the ratio of 2:3. ठीक है. And let P x y z be the point which divides line segment AB in the ratio of 2:3 internally. ठीक है. ये गिवन है. सो नाउ हियर लेट दिस इज द पॉइंट A एंड दिस इज द पॉइंट B. ठीक है. हुज कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर coordinate of A is 1 minus 2 and 3 and coordinate of B is 3 4 and minus 5. ठीक है. Now let P is the point here. This is the point P whose coordinate is x y z and it divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 2:3 internally. यहाँ internally का मतलब है कि ये पॉइंट A और B के बीच में है. ठीक है. और जो AP एंड PB का रेशियो है दैट इज 2:3 है. सो इस पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट हमें निकालना है. ठीक है. सो नाउ बाय सेक्शन फॉर्मूला वी नो दैट इफ ए लाइन सेगमेंट divides a line segment joining the point A x1 y1 z1 and B x2 y2 z2 in the ratio of n:n internally, then coordinate of that point will be n into x2 plus n into x1 upon n plus n, n into y2 plus n into y1 upon n plus n and n into z2 plus n into z1 upon n plus n. ठीक है. So using that formula we will find the coordinate of point P here. ठीक है. So now since P divides line segment AB in the ratio of 2:3, then coordinate of P are by section formula x equal to क्या हो जाएगा that is 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 3 that is n. here n की जगह 2 है और n की जगह 3 है. so 2 into x2 की जगह 3 plus 3 into x1 की जगह 1 है by 2 plus 3. now y will be equal to 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 2 upon 2 plus 3 and z will be equal to 2 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 3. ठीक है. Now when we'll solve this, the coordinate of point will be or x equal to 6 plus 3 by 5. ठीक है, यानी 9 by 5. y will be equal to 4 into 2, 8 minus 6 by 5, that is equal to 2 by 5. ठीक है, and z will be equal to minus 10 plus 9 by 5, that is 1 by 5. Hence coordinate of point PR क्या क्या है? 9 by 5, 2 by 5 and sorry, this is minus 1 by 5. So coordinate of this point is 9 by 5, 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Similarly, if this divides in the ratio of, here we can give the reference, since if px1 y1 z1 या ax1 y1 z1 and bx2 y2 z2 divided by t in the ratio of m is to n, then coordinate of PR क्या होते हैं? m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n, and m into z2 plus n into z1 upon m plus n. This you can give as the reference. ठीक है. Similarly for second part, this was the first part. Second part के लिए क्या करेंगे? When P divides these 2 points in the ratio 2:3 internal, or sorry, externally, उस केस में क्या होगा? So now when Pxyz divides A, that is 1 minus 2 3 and B 3 4 minus 5 in the ratio of 2:3 externally, then coordinate of PR, इस केस में क्या होगा? This will be m into x2 plus, sorry, यहां माइनस हो जाएगा, m into x2 minus n into x1 upon m plus n. ठीक है. So here this will be m into x will be equal to m into m की जगह यहां क्या है? 2 into, इंटरनली जब होगा उस केस में फिगर कैसा होगा? हियर दिस विल बी द पॉइंट A, this is the point A, this is the point B. ठीक है. Now P will be at such a distance that AP is 2 part and BP is 3 part. Means P divides AB in the ratio of 2:3 externally. Means P will be at a distance of 2 unit from A and 3 unit from B and in the same line. So P will be here. ठीक है. That is Pxyz होगा. A will be same as 1 minus 2 3 and B will be 3 4 minus 5. So इस केस में that formula is क्या होगा? m into x2 minus n into x1 upon m minus n. ठीक है. So now यहाँ m यानी 2 into x2 की जगह क्या है? 3 minus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 3. Y will be equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3 by 2 minus 3. This is the ratio. This part is 2 part PA and PB is 3 part. ये 3. So this 2 into 4 minus 3 into y की जगह -2 है upon 2 minus 3 and z equal to 2 into -5 minus 3 into 3 upon 2 minus 3. ठीक है. Once you can check, that is n into x2, 2 into 3 minus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 3, 2 into 4 minus 3 into -2 upon 2 minus 3, and 2 into -5 minus 3 into 3 upon 2 minus 3. So x, y, z will be here 6 minus 3 by -1. Second, इसको solve करेंगे तो this will be 3 by -1 equal to -3. Y will be 8 plus 6 upon -1, that is 14 upon -1 equal to -14, and z will be -10 minus 9 upon -1, that is -19 by -1 equal to 19. ठीक है. So x मिल गया -3, y -14 and z is 19. So when P divides A and B externally in the ratio of 2:3, then coordinate of P are -3, -14 and 19. So hence coordinates of point P are, that is -3, -14 and 19. ठीक है. तो नोट करो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगले एग्जाम्पल के सॉल्यूशन के साथ. ओके, बाय.